Greetings! It's Maxo Diddley. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can equip a weapon in your offhand while keeping your main hand empty in Baldurs Gate 3. And I'll be showing you how you can do this with a controller, because the steps are a little bit different to if you're using the keyboard and mouse. If you are using the keyboard and mouse, click the eye up in the corner for a video on how you can do it using that control scheme. So let's get right into it. The first step is you're going to need a companion. And this companion is going to have a weapon in their main hand and a shield in their offhand. So my Shadowheart has got a mace and has got a shield. Now you want to go back to your main character, or the character you want to have equip the item in their offhand while keeping their main hand empty. And you need two things: a weapon for their offhand and a light weapon to use this technique on. And the reason why I say have a light weapon is because some people have encountered issues where they can't actually equip two weapons at the same time. And a way you can guarantee your character can equip two weapons at the same time is to make sure they're both light. And the first step is we want to equip any old light weapon in our main hand slot. So we're going to navigate to it, we're going to press A, and then we're going to equip our hand axe because it's a light weapon. Then we'll click B to go back. Then we're going to go to our melee offhand, and we're going to equip the weapon that we want in our offhand while our main hand is empty. In this case, it's the Club of Hill Giant Strength. So I'm going to equip that on my offhand. And look, this is great. We have got a weapon on our offhand and our main hand. The next step is we need to navigate to our character who has a melee weapon and a shield. And we need to do two things. We need to firstly navigate to the main hand slot of our other character, then press the X button and click on Unequip. This is important. Now we need to click on this main weapon slot and select the weapon that's in the main hand of our other character. My other character is called Nom, and this is his hand axe he has in his main hand. And we're going to equip that onto Shadowheart. So we click A. Now what happens is, Shadowheart has the axe. If we go back to our other character, his main hand is empty. However, his offhand still has the Club of Hill Giant Strength. Now if we exit the inventory, and we look at what not he can do, he can now do unarmed strikes. And the damage has been reflected to show what a punch could do with the Tavern Brawler feat. And don't try this at home. I don't recommend you attack random shopkeepers, but if we were to attack Aaron,
you picked the wrong fight.
As you can see, the unarmed strike did a lot of damage because of the Tavern Brawler feat. And we're going to offer a bribe to get out of that, and now he forgives us. And that's how you do this with a controller in Baldurs Gate 3. So thanks for being a great audience. Be sure to leave a like and a comment if you enjoyed, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.